Hello everyone, my name is Oscar Martinez. Welcome to Oscar Cocina. And today we're going to be making it'll be my daughter's favorite, one of their favorite dish. It's going to be shrimp Alfredo. And it's going to be so delicious. Come on, let's go. Booyah!
Audio Jungle.
Here we go. We're going to go through the ingredients. We got fresh shrimps here. That's about pound and a half. Heavy whipped cream. We're going to use olive oil, fresh garlics. There's probably like 5 cloves in there. Chives, fresh Parmesan cheese, butter, protein, angel hair, pasta, onion powder, pepper, and Himalayan salt. So come on, let's go. Follow me. All right, here we go. We're gonna clean the shrimps. You know, we're gonna clean them up real good. I usually do it about 3 times, you know. Now we're gonna peel it, and you always want to leave the end, you know, the tail. So just it's been deveined and all that, cleaned up. So just take the shell off. All right, make sure you always, you know, if you're done rinsing it out, peeling it and all that, make sure you always dry it up. I'm gonna marinate my shrimps with garlic, fresh garlic, chopped garlic, onion powder. Okay, now we're gonna put some pepper in there. Okay, now salt. Yeah, that's pretty good right there. And then a little olive oil, so it'll stay nice and moist. It smells so lovely. And then I'm gonna deep fry them with later on with olive oil. Meanwhile, it's gonna sit there marinating, so it'll catch a nice flavor to it for about, you know, 10-15 minutes. All right, here's the fresh Parmesan. We're gonna grate this and add it onto the sauce, Alfredo sauce. Everything will be nice and fresh. Alright, here we go. We're going to add on the butter in there. We're going to add on 2 bars of that. Now we're going to add on the garlic, fresh garlic. And just keep mixing it around. That way the garlic will spread everywhere. Some pepper to it. There we go. Should be good now. It's starting to smell the garlic. It smells so good. Now we're going to add on 2 cups of heavy whipped cream on it. Well, let's add on 2.5 just to be safe. There we go. Now keep mixing this up. There we go. It's looking good. And we're gonna add on some salt to it. Should be good. mix everything around because all the butter is right on top. So you want to mix everything up, and then in about 2 to 3 minutes, we're gonna add on the fresh Parmesan cheese. You want to keep mixing around so that it won't get stuck on the bottom of the pan too. All right, now we're gonna add on fresh Parmesan cheese on it. Spread it everywhere. There you go. Nice. Now you just gotta keep on mixing it up. That's getting nice and thick already. Just keep mixing it. So roughly about 5-6 minutes. Alright, now we're going to put the noodles in here. Gonna boil it up for 10 minutes. Make sure they heat some medium. Just kind of play with it, play it around. And then it's going to go down by itself evenly. We're going to cover it up. On medium. Go back 5 minutes and then we'll check on them in a little bit. Alright, we're going to add on olive oil now. Just a little bit because the shrimps already had some in there. Okay, it's on medium. Here we go, we got this baby sizzling already. Now what I'm gonna do, we're gonna add on a little wine to it, just to add an extra flavor to it. Beautiful. You don't want to fry it up in there too long, you know, because still that Alfredo sauce is gonna cook it as well. So it's almost ready to be shut off. Say you want to leave it cooking there for 3-4 minutes. I would say 3 more minutes. And it's there. Ready to go. The best part is coming right now, so let's serve the plate. Pasta's ready. Linguine. There we go. Add on the shrimps now. Check this baby out. Now we're gonna add on the Alfredo sauce to it. Look at this baby. Just a little more right there and perfect. I'm gonna add on the fresh Parmesan cheese right on top. That should be about good enough. And then the chives at the end. There you go.
Audio Jungle.
Alright everyone, this is the best part right now. Let's go. Got fresh Parmesan cheese on it. It just makes it taste really, really fresh, you know, really tasty. Wow, so delicious. Cheers, everyone. All right, everyone, make sure you like, subscribe, comments, just whatever you guys want to do, you know. I mean, anything you write means a lot to me. Have a nice evening. God bless you all. Much love.